Respected sir, my name is Isha Langre. I am studying in BSc third year in Environmental Science. I am giving a seminar on biomedical waste and radioactive waste. Biomedical waste. Biomedical waste is defined as any waste which is generated during the diagnosis, treatment, or immunization of human beings or animals, or in research activities pertaining theatre, or in the production of testing of biologicals. Biomedical waste is any type of waste, either solid or liquid, compromising of harmful materials produced by healthcare facilities, example, hospitals, health camps, etc. Biomedical waste management is significant to defend the environment and health of the population. Concept of biomedical waste: the waste that is generated during the different applications of radioisotopes in medicine or biological research is considered as biomedical radioactive waste. Biomedical or medical radioactive waste in many cases will contain an infectious biological components from clinical, anatomical, ancillary, or research sources. The basic concept of BMVM is segregation at sources and waste reductions. Besides, a lot of research and development needs to be in the field of developing environmental friendly medical devices and BMW disposal systems for a greener and cleaner environment. Types of biomedical waste: human anatomical waste like tissues, organs, and body parts; animal waste generated during the research from veterinary hospitals; microbiology and biotechnology waste; waste sharps like hypodermic needles, syringes, scalpels, and broken glasses; and discarded medicines and cytotoxic drugs, etc. Treatment of biomedical waste. Biomedical waste treatment refers to the producers to eliminate the harmful effects of the waste. There are numerous treatment options which maximize safety during the management and disposal of the waste. It also reduces environmental hazards. Incineration, autoclaving, irradiation, and chemical treatments are the most used methods for management and cleansing of biomedical waste. Disposal of biomedical waste. Land disposal is usually employed for remediation of waste which is decontaminated by approximate treatment approaches. This technique is generally used in developing countries, which included the throwing away of waste into a landfill. Landfilling should be contaminated at places where groundwater level is low and which are far from floating sources. Radioactive waste. Radioactive waste is defined as material that contains or is contaminated with radionuclides at concentrations or activities greater than clearance level as established by individual countries and for which no use is currently foreseen. Radioactive waste. Radioactive waste is a type of hazardous waste that contains radioactive material. Radioactive waste is a result of many activities including nuclear medicine, nuclear research, nuclear power generation, rare earth mining, and nuclear weapons reprocessing. Effects of radioactive waste. Exposure to large amounts of radioactivity can cause nausea, vomiting, hair loss, diarrhea, hemorrhage, destructions of the intestinal lining, central nervous system damage, and death. It also causes DNA damage and raises the risk of cancer, particularly in your young children and fetuses. Storage and disposal of radioactive waste. Radioactive waste are stored so as to avoid any chance of radiation exposure to people or any pollution. Next, the radioactivity of the waste decays with the time, providing a strong incentive to store the high level waste for about 50 years before disposal. Disposal of the low level waste is straightforward and can be undertaken safely almost anywhere. Storage of used fuel is normally underwater for at least 5 years and then often in dry storage. Deep geological disposal is widely agreed to be the best solution for find disposal of the most radioactive waste produces. Thank you.